Hi, I'm John Mallow. I'm from Akron, Ohio. I've been in the car wash business. My family, we built some car washes in Ohio, and we're building a detail center behind one of the car washes. And that's since we're doing some Ding King training and learning to do some dent repair and some paint repair and some wheel repair and some windshield repair. So it's all very, very beneficial. I shopped around a lot. Ding King seemed to be, they were out, had different locations in the country, in the United States, I should say. They are over in Canada, and I know they're overseas also. I've heard good things about Ding King, and decided to come to California and give it a shot. We worked on, they started to start us out by learning how to notice raises and depressions in your hood. They gave us techniques how to tap them out and tap them down. So yeah, it's, the staff here is incredibly good. They show you how to do it all, and yeah, it takes a lot of practice. Yeah, you're not going to get it overnight. It's just, but it's very interesting to see these guys turn, how we can learn how to turn metal dings in cars and door dings into looking brand new. So it's pretty neat. Well, after training, we're, as I said, we have car washes back east. We're building a detail center. So I'm like in, put some detail, we're going to do Ding King at certain locations, certain days of the week. We'll have people to sign up for. We'll also do windshield repair on that also. And some wheel repair, you know how people drive. So we'll need all that stuff. But Ding King is helping us with all that. Hey, Ding King, thank you so much. Big fan.